In this quick video, I'll show you how to move Google Photos from one account to another. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, we need to go to our browser. You can use any browser. Then search on your browser photos.google.com. Then enter on your keyboard. Now you can see I am on my Google Photos. You can see all of these photos are stored on my this account, which I want to move to another account. So for that, firstly we need to select our all photos. So for that, I will simply click on my first photo, then scroll down to the bottom until you find your last image. As you can see, this is my last image. Now I just need to hold shift on my keyboard, then click on your last image, and there you go. I have now selected all of my images at once. Then we just need to create a new shared album. For that, we need to click on this plus icon. We need to click on it, then click on shared album. Now we are just creating here shared album. After that, we can share it to our new account. I will click on new shared album. Then it will show us this page where we can name our album. I will simply name it move. Then click on share on the right side, and now we need to add our email address where we want to move our images. I will simply type my email address here. Once you type your email address, you will get your email address here on your search results. We need to click on it, and after that you can see my email address is now selected. Then we need to click on send, and now as you can see, my another account is now joined to the shared album. So to access these photos from that account, we need to go to new tab, then go to photos.google.com. Once you are on this website, switch to the Google account where we shared our shared album. I shared my shared album to this account, which is this, and now I just need to switch to it. And as you can see, no photos are here on this account, but here is one notification on sharing. I need to go to sharing, and there you go, we can see move album. I need to click on this album, and after that we can click on this save photos option. After that, I just need to click on that, and as you can see, my photos are saved on my this account. If I go to photos, you can see all of my photos are here, and there you go, I have successfully received the photos from my first account to my new account. And our next task is to delete the photos from our previous account. So for that, I will simply go to my first account, which is this, and then simply select your first image, scroll down to the bottom until we find our last image, then hold shift on your keyboard, click on the last image, then click on this trash can icon, click on it, then click on got it. And now our photos will be deleted from our primary account, so that the photos will only stay on our secondary account where we moved our photos. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.